Hey, I'm Jake Mossop, and today we're exploring why you're having painful sex. Painful sex is more common than you think. According to a study published in the British Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology, nearly 1 in 10 women reported symptoms of painful sex. And as a nurse, I know how hard it is for my patients to bring this up. So let's get comfortable with your discomfort. Painful sex can be experienced in a number of ways, as deep, sharp, or as a burning sensation in the pelvis or vagina, either upon, during, or immediately after penetration. While it's most often caused by spasms, latex allergies, awkward positions, or mismatched genital sizes, here's 3 less common culprits that could be giving you pain instead of pleasure. Menopause decreases your estrogen levels, which can cause tightness, thinning of the vaginal walls, and dryness. So in order to be slippery when wet, synthetic lubricants can increase comfort and pleasure. Also, speak to your healthcare provider about hormone supplements to improve your blood flow and musculature while keeping you slipping and sliding. Lack of arousal. Sometimes you can be a little too tight. When you become aroused, the muscles in your vagina begin to relax. Try incorporating vaginal relaxation exercises like Kegels throughout the day to help better control your muscles. And don't be afraid to up your pre-game foreplay. Try using toys and fingers. And listen, there's no rush. Infections. In some cases, you could be showing no symptoms while harboring an unwanted infection. So any stinging, burning, and itching could be your body's way of notifying you that there's something viral in your inbox. So make sure to get tested to rule out any underlying infection. A few other contributing causes could be perfumed soaps, excessive douching, and scented toilet paper, all of which irritate the vaginal lining, making it more sensitive and susceptible to pain. Talking about painful sex is never easy, but there are a few symptoms you can't ignore. If you experience any new or worsening pain, bleeding, or discharge during or after sex, seek medical attention. And remember, you're not alone, so communicate and participate. Here's to pain-free sex.